How to find Elden Ring file on your PC or on your laptop. For this, you have to follow some step I'm showing you right now. The first thing is to find Elden Ring file on your Steam ID or anything. You have to do was click on the Windows and then My PC. Here you have to click on the user folder and then go to your user profile. Now go to the app data folder. If you don't see it, then you don't have the hidden option enabled. Click on view and check the hidden item option. You should now be able to see the app data folder there. All the left is go to the roaming and then Elder Ring folder. Here you can find your Steam ID folder. That should be a 7-digit folder for you, like this on the home screen you can see. And the last step is the two files with S12 extension are the save files you are looking for. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like